What's up, everybody? So for this project, we're gonna make two black walnut exterior tables. The wood's pretty damaged, it's got big cracks in it. We're gonna use bow ties, then we're gonna fill it in with black epoxy. Let me know in the comments below if you like the bow ties to be shown on top of the table or if you'd rather not see them at all. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna pop the center, get it rough cut, and then start working on the bow ties. Okay, so now that we've got everything rough cut, since we have this big gap in here, what I'm going to do is clamp it up, pull it tight, and put several bow ties in, kind of along through here. And then once we get the bow ties in, we'll build our forms for the epoxy.
You've seen this before?
11 times, as a matter of fact.
Alright, so now that we got the first bow tie in place, it's just time to do the rest of them. We'll get ready to make our form for the epoxy. We're going to use packaging tape, caulk, and plywood. Okay, now that the form is done, everything's caulked up and sealed up, it's time to get ready for the pour. We're going to use Total Boat thick set epoxy with the black diamond, black onyx dye. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. If you want a discount on some kick-ass beard products, click the link down below and use the code in the description. Thanks. See you on the next video.